Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII is not just another iteration. It is a declaration of war against the status quo. Forget everything you know about the Xperia line. We're talking about a complete design overhaul, a camera sensor that shouldn't technically fit in a pocket, and a hardware configuration that is currently terrifying the engineering teams at Samsung and Apple. For the last half-decade, Sony has stuck to the 21:9 aspect ratio, the tall, skinny form factor that became their signature. While iconic, it was polarizing. Supply chain leaks now confirm a massive shift. The Xperia 1 Mark VIII is moving to a wider, more ergonomic 19:5:9 ratio. Sony is finally balancing their cinematic DNA with mainstream usability. The display remains the crown jewel. We are looking at a 4K HDR OLED panel, but with a monumental upgrade in peak brightness, hitting 3,500 nits. This is coupled with a new LTPO4 backplane, allowing the refresh rate to drop to 1 Hz to save battery or ramp up to 144 Hz for gaming. The most significant visual change lies in the bezels. The traditional top and bottom bars are reportedly gone. Sony has perfected an under-display camera technology using a micro-lens array. This allows the front-facing sensor to remain completely invisible behind the pixels without sacrificing the 4K selfie quality Sony is known for. Under the hood, the Mark VIII is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This 3nm chipset is being paired with a dedicated Xperia Intelligence coprocessor. Unlike other brands that use AI to generate fake details and photos, Sony is using this power for real-time raw data processing, bringing the computational speed of their alpha mirrorless cameras to a mobile device. The rear camera module has been completely redesigned, moving away from the slim vertical strip to a bold, professional module. The main sensor is a massive 1-inch type Exmor T, featuring a dual-layer transistor pixel structure that captures double the light of previous generations. The telephoto lens is where Sony is widening the gap. Rumors point to a world-first liquid lens system, allowing for seamless optical zoom from 3.5x all the way to 10x without any moving external parts. This is paired with a 200-megapixel ultra-res sensor, enabling lossless digital zoom up to 100x. For videographers, the Mark VIII introduces 8K recording at 120 frames per second across all 3 lenses. It includes real-time eye autofocus and object tracking that functions even in near-total darkness. In terms of endurance, Sony is reportedly the first to implement a silicon-carbon battery density, cramming 5,500 mAh into a thinner chassis. This is supported by 80W wired charging and 45W wireless charging, alongside Sony's industry-leading battery care software, which guarantees the cell will stay healthy for at least 4 years. The official introduction is expected in May 2026. As for the price, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII is positioned as a luxury professional tool. In the United States, the starting price is projected at $1,599. It is a premium price for a device that replaces a professional camera, a high-end gaming console, and a 4K reference monitor. The Xperia 1 Mark VIII represents Sony's redemption arc. It is the device that proves you do not have to compromise to be different. The future of mobile technology has arrived, and it bears the Sony logo to a database that lists eSIM-compatible phones. According to the listing, the model numbers are PM 1521 BV, PM 1522 BV, and PM 1523 BV. The outlet points out that these model numbers are likely for one phone and its variants rather than 3 different models. Considering that the model numbers for the Sony Xperia 1.6 and Xperia 1.7 were PM 1490 BV and PM 1500 BV, it's likely that these new model numbers are for the Xperia 1.8. The Xperia 1.8 won't be released for a while, given that the 7 was launched this year in May. But it looks like development is already underway. Thanks to Qualcomm, we already know that it will have a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. One question that needs to be answered is, where will this new phone be sold? Xperia 1.8 had already emerged online. Initially, 2 proposed model numbers appeared as PM 1522 BV and PM 1523 BV on eSIM databases. Now, the Hot Mobile database has added a reference to a third. Listed as PM 1521 BV, it is currently unclear to which regional variant this model number relates. With that being said, the Walkman blog indicates that Sony has assigned DSO 51G to the Docomo carrier version of the Xperia VIII that will be available in Japan. Unfortunately, full specifications, pricing, and the design of the Xperia VIII are likely a way off from surfacing. Likewise, it is unclear whether the Xperia 1 will return to North America for its 8th generation release. Leaked images of the Sony Xperia VIII suggest the company is moving away from its long-standing look. In addition, Sony is introducing a redesigned body alongside a return to its signature 21:9 display. The images first spotted on Weibo and shared by case manufacturers via Notebook Check show a noticeably different approach. Most striking is the shift to a square camera module, replacing the pill-shaped layout seen on the previous Xperia VII. The setup still appears to include 3 lenses and an LED flash. Furthermore, the VIII branding remains, a sign that Sony's long-running partnership with the optic specialist is continuing. From what's been shared so far, the front design is changing just as much. Sony looks to be ditching its trademark thick top and bottom bezels in favor of a more modern punch-hole selfie camera. This change could also mean the removal of the front-facing stereo speakers. It's a notable break from the Xperia formula, which has long prioritized symmetry and uninterrupted displays. Despite the changes, some familiar Sony touches remain. The display is tipped to feature a 21:9 aspect ratio, shifting back from the 19.5:9 panel on the previous model. In addition, a 3.5mm headphone jack is still expected at the top. Around the edges, you'll also likely find a dedicated camera shutter button. Further, there will be USB-C and SIM tray placement at the bottom.as with most early leaks. Details should be taken with a pinch of salt. However, sources close to Xperia communities suggest the design is relatively close to the final version. Previous rumors also point to a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and a possible 200MP telephoto camera. These hints suggest serious hardware upgrades to match the new look. The next Xperia generation could noticeably change Sony's camera strategy. The Xperia VIII is expected to feature a 200-megapixel camera in a Sony flagship for the first time, although not with the new Lition 901 sensor that has recently attracted a lot of attention. Instead, leaks point to a different 200MP sensor from the Exmor T series, which should significantly enhance the telephoto module in particular. These are still rumors, but the source has often been correct in previous Xperia leaks, which is why a major camera upgrade is currently considered very likely. 200-megapixel camera, but without Lition 901. The trigger for the current rumors is a leaker who has specialized in Xperia models for years and is now holding out the prospect of a 200-megapixel upgrade for the Xperia VIII. This would be the first time Sony has entered the 200MP class in its own flagship series, after competitors such as Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo have already been using corresponding sensors for some time. What is exciting here is not so much the pure resolution, but the orientation within the camera system. The new 200MP sensor is to be used as a telephoto camera and replace the previous 12MP telephoto sensor of the Xperia VII. Surprisingly, contrary to many expectations, Sony will not be using the recently introduced Lition 901 in the Xperia VIII. Although this sensor with a size of 1/1.12 inches, 200 megapixels, and a dynamic range of more than 100 dB is currently considered one of the most exciting camera modules in the smartphone segment. The Lition 901 is rather intended for other flagships, such as the Oppo Find X9 Ultra and the Vivo X300 Ultra, where it will serve as a large main camera with strong HDR and low light capabilities. For the Xperia VIII, a 200MP sensor from the Exmor T series is being discussed instead, i.e. from the dual-layer architecture that Sony already uses in current high-end cameras to improve noise and dynamic range. The rumored 200MP Exmor T sensor is intended to fundamentally modernize the telephoto module of the Xperia VIII by replacing the previous 12 megapixels with a high-resolution dual-layer setup. In combination with pixel binning and in-sensor zoom, this would enable more flexible focal length ranges and potentially lower loss digital zoom, similar to what is envisaged for the Lisha 901, with integrated binning steps from 200 to 50 and 12.5 megapixels. Although the exact specification of the Exmor T sensor is not yet known, the focus is likely to be on better detail reproduction in zoom shots and more stable image quality in difficult lighting situations. At the same time, the report indicates that not only the telephoto module, but also the main camera module is in need of an upgrade. The current Xperia 1 has been using a 48-megapixel 1/1.35-inch sensor since model year 2023, which offers solid performance, but is in danger of falling behind the latest 1-inch like sensors from the competition. There are no concrete indications of a new main sensor for the Xperia 1.8 yet, but given the focus on 200MP technology and dual-layer architectures, a modernization of the entire camera chain seems plausible. Chipset, market position, and reliability of the leaks. Aside from the camera, it appears that the Xperia 1.8 will once again feature a high-end SoC, which is also expected in the successors to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and OnePlus 13. For the 2025/2026 period, this means that a current top-of-the-range Qualcomm chip is practically a given, offering sufficient performance reserved for computationally intensive image processing, 8K or high-resolution 4K video recording, and AI-supported image functions. Sony would thus remain true to its tradition of positioning the Xperia 1 as a fully-fledged premium device with a focus on camera, display, and content creation.